Hello guys, what's going on? This is Teacher John from Speak English with John, and on today's everyday English lesson, we're looking at the phrase would like and want in English. Those times when we need to express want. Your goal is not just to pass across a message, not just to communicate a message, but you want to say things right and be polite in English. And to do that, we would be using would like and want correctly to sound more polite and formal. Would like is used to mean want, but it is used for more polite expressions. The question, do you like to drink something cold? This is less formal and polite. We usually use this for friends, children, and classmates, or etc. Would you like to drink something cold? This is more polite and formal, and like we said earlier, your goal is to say things right, not just to communicate your message, not just to pass across your message, but you want to strive to say things correctly, to say things right, and be polite in English. We usually use the phrase would like with a verb, and here's the form. A subject plus the phrase would like plus to plus a verb. Here are some examples. I would like to eat some cheese. Would you like to have some water? She would like to eat a piece of cake. From these examples, we can clearly see that the phrase would like is used to mean want. It is used for more polite expressions because our goal is not just to communicate a message, not just to pass across a message, but we want to say things right and politely. And this is a lesson to help you sound more polite in English. You may have noticed that we can use the phrase would like in a positive, negative, and question sentences, right? I would like to stay home today. She would like to buy a new car. Would you like to go to the cinema? He wouldn't want to come with us. Mary wouldn't like to watch that movie. So you can see that we can also use the phrase would like in a positive, negative, and question sentences to express want politely in English. The phrase would like is the same for all subjects. I would like, you would like, he, she, Sally would like, we would like, they, our classmate, would like. And with the structure in mind, a subject plus a phrase would like plus to plus a verb. Here are some sentences. I would like to play golf tomorrow night. You would like to play golf tomorrow night. He, she, Sally would like to play golf tomorrow night. We would like to play golf tomorrow night. They, our classmates, would like to play golf tomorrow night. So you can see that we use the phrase would like the same for all subjects when expressing want politely in English. We can make the phrase would like shorter by using contractions. A contraction is simply a shortened form of a word or group of words that omit certain letters and sounds. I would like, I'd like. She would like, she'd like. He would like, he'd like. They would like, they'd like. We would like, we'd like. You would like, you'd like. These are all contractions, and like we said, a contraction is simply a shortened form of a word or group of words that omit certain letters or sounds. And here are some examples. I'd like to drink some water. I'd like to eat some olives. I'd like to cook some eggs. I'd like to buy some bread. These are all contractions, right? The shortened form of the phrase would like. I hope you found some value and learned something. If you did, I'm happy. Please show me some love by hitting that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss out on my weekly interactive English lessons, just like this one, to help boost your fluency, confidence, and speaking skills. I told you there is a similar lesson to this one. Learn how to express preferences in English. Preferences are simply what we enjoy or like doing. Check this lesson over here and keep the learning going. I will see you around soon.